Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. Today I want to tell you why I love my school. My school is like my second home. I feel happy the moment I step inside the classroom. The classrooms are bright, clean. The classrooms are bright, clean and full of learning. Our teachers are very kind. They help us read, write and understand new things. I love playing with my friends during games and breaks. We share lunch, play together and help each another. My school also has fun activity like drawing, sports and storytelling. I feel proud when we celebrate festivals, national days and special events together. It makes learning even more exciting. My school teaches me good manners, honesty and respect. It helps me grow not only in studies but also as a good human being. That is why I love my school so much. Thank you. Have a nice day.